Hello everyone, this is Hansen. Nice to see you here again. Since this year, we have finished a lot of stadium lighting projects around the world. The feedback is very good, and I appreciate by our customers and officials. Now, I would like to introduce our latest stadium lights FL21A. Compared to our FL21, there are three advantages about it. First one, this is made of die-casting aluminum and is painted black. The heat ventilation is very quick, so the lifetime can be longer. As you can see, this one has 8 modules. Each module can be 100 watts. We have 1 module, 2 module, 3 module, 4 module, 6 module, 8 module, and 9 module. So the max power can be 900 watts. The lumen per watt can be max 140 lumen per watt. From the back of it, you can see this is a big gym box which can hold drivers. It can hold various sizes of drivers such as newer, Samsung, electronics, and others. And this is a steel bracket. It's very strong. It can hold very heavy weights. This is the cable. This cable is listed by UL and w.The. The quality is very good. And here, this is a wrench. This is the wrench for it. By turning it, so that the lights can be turned different angle, so it can project in different directions. Okay, the second one. Gel chips have 3 types for options, such as SMD 3030, such as SMD 5050, and 3737. The max lumen per watt can be 140 lumen per watt. The big angle has a lot of can be options, such as 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 6 and 90 degree, type 2, type 3, type 4, and type 5. So the application is very wide, such as advertising board, stadium lighting, high mast lighting, simple lighting, and others. So this performance and cost ratio is very high. So it's one of your best choice when you're doing any project. So you can make a good choice. So this is only a brief introduction. If you have any interest or have any questions, welcome, contact me. Okay, thank you.